I'm okay. Can I help you?
I'm Deputy Castro, Monroe County Sheriff's Office. Reason why I pulled you over. Me and my partner right there on the side of the road. In the state of Florida, we have a move over law. You either need to bump it down to 20 miles an hour, or you got to try to move over to the left-hand side.
I mean, the other vehicle did the same thing in front of me, so...
Well, I was looking at my computer, but I felt my car shake when you passed me. Can I have your license, registration, proof, or insurance, please?
You're going to have to contact the Federal Bureau for my information. I'm sorry. I'll give you, because that's what I'm here for, is work. And this is the vehicle they put me in, so you're going to have to contact them for that.
For your registration and everything?
Yep.
You don't have no registration in this vehicle?
Nope. You're welcome to get my information and get their information. That's fine, but that's what's going on.
What do you do for the federal?
I don't think that's any of your business.
Okay. So I asked her for registration. She goes, you got to contact the Federal Bureau of Investigation for it. This is one of their cars. She goes, I'm here for work. I asked her what for. She didn't give me any information. And this isn't coming back to anybody. The car isn't. I need to
If she's not providing her card, that means she's lying, yeah?
get the VIN, but there's a dog inside. Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm okay. What's the deal with hitting the vehicle?
What do you mean, hit the vehicle?
Yeah, is there a reason the vehicle kind of keeps getting in it? Or
Where?
when you walk by it?
What do you mean, ma'am? No one hit the vehicle.
When you walk by it, feels like somebody touched it.
What's wrong with that, ma'am?
Is that what I was feeling?
You have your license with you?
But is that what I'm feeling?
Not sure what you mean, man. No one hit your vehicle. I need your registration and insurance, ma'am.
Contact the Federal Bureau. I already informed this officer.
All right, that's fine.
What are you being nosy for? Body cam isn't out and you're being disrespectful right now.
Ma'am, my body worn camera is
That's his work. What do you mean by being disrespectful?
No, I'm asking you what are you doing because you're being disrespectful right now. I was dealing with this deputy right here and you're being nosy for just no reason. This is an invasion of privacy, completely disrespectful.
It's a traffic stop, ma'am.
For no reason.
We're asking for your documentation. You refuse
I would like to know if you're an impersonator.
Let me explain. No, I'm Deputy Marino with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. That's who I am.
And you have any ID on you?
Yes, ma'am.
And you have a card with your badge number and your county.
We don't
Yeah.
have a badge number. We have a call number,
You need to
ma'am.
listen to my words.
No, let me explain to you,
When
ma'am.
I ask if you're an impersonator, it's important.
Ma'am,
that you
I'm
have
not an impersonator. I just
identification
told you who I am and who I work for.
And I asked if you had a card.
Ma'am,
with
you're
your
not going to let
ID
me
on it.
explain. Hey, we're bickering back and forth. It's not going to get nowhere. If you're going to talk over me, we're not going to get nowhere with it.
Arguing with the cops always will get you nowhere. There's no...
It's okay. We're going to go ahead and get a supervisor here since you
So here's
requested.
mine.
Thank you, sir.
In the meantime, go ahead and provide your registration.
And you can contact the Federal Bureau. I'm here
For what
work.
reason?
Because I'm here for work, and that's what our protocol is.
Oh,
this
so-
is the vehicle they put me in, and if you would like to contact them
Yes.
for further information,
No, I need
can.
your registration.
You
I'm pretty
need to
sure if you
contact
drive.
the Federal Bureau.
Ma'am, like I said, you're going to keep going back and forth with me?
I gave you an answer. That's all I can do.
Okay, just wait for Sergeant Gay.
April,
Yes, sir.
quick question.
Yes, sir.
Are you an FBI agent? If you are, do you have credentials? That's all we're at.
Yeah, she should at least provide her card, you know? working
You
card or
have
whatever.
to give them my name.
You don't have credentials at all.
You have to give them my name. This is a highly
ID, I mean, she provide her ID.
on the down low case, and I am not able to disclose with you anything other than to be as honest as I can, but that's all I could say to you. I can give you their direct address and number, and then some name for the Federal Bureau. That's the best I could do for you. And I do have registration from the prior owner for this, but it is from 2018 or 2021. You're welcome to see it if you like.
May I see it?
Thank you for wearing your body cam.
Yes, ma'am.
This is from insurance and then the DMV. It is Montana and Nevada, and I am from Oregon.
Okay.
This is just different verification, so you can see the VIN number with it. Karen was a veteran. She's passed away now, and I want to make sure she's remembered. I was keeping that together because her son is a part of this.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
Your car registered or not?
It's not registered since 2018.
Since 2018?
Yes.
She never showed you her creds, right?
No credentials. He asked her.
Not that
Do
it
you
would
work? Are you a federal agent working for the FBI?
No, she's not.
So of course she's not. We asked her again to provide her registration and insurance. She couldn't do that.
Right, right.
She kept saying
Yeah,
that.
stay back. I have to tow your car. Give me your car.
No, I do not think so.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give me the keys?
You're not
No.
complying with our
No, my
orders. You're
dog
going to
is-
go to jail.
My dog is in the vehicle, and I do not trust you. I'm going
We're
to
not-
wait for a tow. No,
Listen to me.
I am not giving
You
you
don't
my...
get
Just because she has her dog, it doesn't mean she cannot get arrested, yeah?
Dictate what's
I'm
going
not
on.
giving you my keys.
Then you're gonna go to jail. Give me your car keys right now.
For
You're
what
gonna go to
reason?
jail. Come towing your car.
I will get my stuff out of there. I just locked it.
Em, you don't have a choice in this matter.
Yes, I do.
Oh, you don't.
The tow truck is not here. Yes, I
I'm
do.
gonna tell you one more time. And
No.
if you are not
No.
complying with the lawful order, you are going to go to jail. I do not want to take you to jail because you want to have an attitude.
Are you going to call Jacksonville?
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay, then I'm going to unlock the vehicle because you're not going to leave me unfree willingly to get my dog out of the vehicle.
If you keep talking, you're
Okay.
going to be unfree to go.
I understand you don't like the way I'm speaking, but I'm being very,
I don't care. how
very,
you speak
very
to me.
calm.
You don't need to do anything special to me other than comply with my.
You said to get out of the vehicle and sign a citation, and then I could go
You have
back
the criminal
to the vehicle.
citation ready?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna go ahead and tow that vehicle. Make sure you
I'm
make
not going back to this
arrangements.
vehicle. I'm not going to continue arguing with you. Say it one more time.
And neither am I. I'm going to wait.
You see, the more thing that cops hate arguing. So arguing with them do not get you anywhere.
Sign a citation. I'm waiting for the
Give me your
code.
books.
I have done nothing for you to act this way.
Ma'am.
This is harassment right now.
Okay.
You feel better.
I'd feel better if you would cooperate.
I am cooperating. I'm going to make sure you're not an impersonator. Because if you are, then you're going to be in quite some trouble. This one right here as well.
Can you stand up, lean up against a car for me?
No, you need to get a woman to pat search me. I'm sorry.
They did nothing wrong to you. Nothing wrong. She's not cooperating, yeah?
So if you have a vehicle registered in the state of Florida, right? Mm-hmm. And it's not registered for more than 6 months, it's criminal. What happens if it's not registered at all since 2018? Is it still the same thing?
That's even worse.
I mean, it's still criminal, right?
Okay.
So can you arrest or you can give an NTA for either one, correct?
Yes, sir.
She's a convicted felon.
I know she is.
And she's been here, she came in on the 24th. So, post. She failed to register within 48 hours.
April, what's your dog's name?
Wilbur?
Wilbur.
Wilbur?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Wilbur! Hi!
Bravo uniform 8 Delta X-ray B.
She can open the door. What's the matter, buddy? Come on. You can go. Come on.
Come on. Come on, Wilbur.
There we go.
Are they going to be able to provide a ride there?
Not sure, but pretty sure if you ask someone, they'll give you a ride, or you could just call the sheriff's office. They'll provide you with some courtesy transport.
And the stipulation for me reporting on my end, since I was declined clarification for a phone call to Jacksonville.
Well, you get your phone call when you get to the station, ma'am.
No, for you gentlemen, for me to report that you declined calling, for me to be verified.
You could take that up with whoever you need to take that up with.
I
Okay?
was asking, do you know who?
No, I don't know who exactly. You just spoke to the sergeant. He's the one that placed you in custody.
And when he's the one that declined.
I'm giving you the same information that I know. Can't give you other information that I don't know of, okay?
If I could, I'd really like to bring that flour bag in the back.
What flower bag?
It's right there behind the green.
She's not reasonable at all, yeah?
That's your makeup bag.
Yes, I have court tomorrow.
You're not gonna need all that.
I should have asked for my tennis shoes.
According to court records, April was arrested on charges including resisting an officer without violence, failing to register as a convicted felon, refusing to sign a criminal citation, and failing to register a motor vehicle. Bond was set at $7,500.
I mean, she thought by saying she's a federal agent, she can get away out of the situation, but it did not, yeah?